Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to allow pop-ups in Google Chrome. Sometimes, certain websites need pop-ups to work properly, such as login pages or downloads. We will guide you step by step on how to enable pop-ups in Chrome safely. In your Google Chrome browser, we click the three dots at the upper right corner. We then click on Settings. Once here, we go to Privacy and Security. Under Privacy and Security, we will click on Site Settings, which is at the bottom of the list. Inside Site Settings, we scroll down and click on Pop-ups and Redirects. Here, we can turn this on by clicking the option to allow pop-ups and redirects. Once that is done, pop-ups are now enabled in Google Chrome. That's it. We have successfully allowed pop-ups in Google Chrome. Now, any website that requires pop-ups should work correctly in your browser.